This is your lesson essential question for today. How do you use the words faces, edges, and vertices to describe a cube? So we're going to be working with cubes today, and we'll be using the words faces, edges, and vertices as we're drawing and describing cubes. This is a cube. A cube is a 3D shape. Let's talk about those faces, edges, and vertices. So here is my cube. This is a square. The shape of each face is a square. Remember, all of this space inside is a face. So this right here, that's one of the faces. We have one here. We've got one up here. There's one in the back, on the bottom, and on this side too. So a cube has 6 faces altogether. The cube has 12 edges. So looking at the lines that make the cube, these are the edges, those corners. Where the edges meet, those are your vertices. There are 8 vertices in a cube. Let's identify some cubes. This is a cube. I see that it's 3D. I see that all 6 faces are shaped like a square. Is this a cube? No, this isn't a cube because it's not 3D. It's flat. Is this a cube? This is not a cube. This can is actually what's called a cylinder. Is this Rubik's Cube a cube? This Rubik's Cube is a cube. Are these blocks cubes? This one's tricky because they look like cubes, but they're not because the faces are not squares. So these are not cubes. Are these cubes? These blocks are cubes. Is this a cube? No, this isn't a cube. This is actually a cone. Now it's time for you to practice identifying cubes and drawing cubes.